Graphing with the slant asymptote example. So this is another one where I see my degree on top is one more than the degree on the bottom. So we're not going to have a horizontal asymptote, but we are going to have a slant. So remember, to find the slant, we are going to do some long division. So I want to know, what do I have to multiply x by to equal x squared? That's going to be x. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Draw the line, change the sign, combine. So I get negative 3x minus 4. Now I come through x times what equals negative 3x, negative 3. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Draw the line, change the sign. So here I'm going to get 5 as the remainder, but we're going to disregard the remainder. So we're going to have a slant at y equals x minus 3. Okay, vertical asymptote, we're going to have x equals negative 3. Wholes, there are none because there's no common factors. X-intercept, x squared minus 4 equals 0. So x squared equals 4. X equals plus or minus 2 then when I take the square root. So 2, 0, and negative 2, 0 are my x-intercepts. Y-intercept, plug in 0. So we got 0 minus 4 over 0 plus 3, negative 4 thirds. So 0, negative 4 thirds is our y-intercept. Okay, so let's do some graphing. So we have our slant is at x minus 3, so that's a y-intercept of negative 3 and a slope of 1. So here is my slant. Okay, vertical asymptote was at negative 3. Okay, so my graph again is either going to be here and here or here and here. So let's see where our intercepts are to help with that. So let's see, our y-intercept is at negative 4 thirds, so negative 1 1/3. So it's going to be in here. X-intercepts of 2, 0 and negative 2, 0. So this one was all in here, so it's going to hug. And then the other one is going to be across from it. We could plug in negative 4 to check that. So if I were to find f of negative 4, let's see, we got negative 4 squared minus 4, negative 4 plus 3, so we get 16 minus 4 is 12 over negative 1, so negative 12. So at negative 4, I should be down at negative 12. So I'm actually lower, but that's going to be opposite always. Okay, domain and range. Okay, so this one, we have our domain is going to be affected by that vertical asymptote. And we have negative 3. So we're going to have negative infinity up to negative 3, and then negative 3 to infinity. Now this range one, you guys, is a little tougher because it does look like there's maybe this gap. We're not going to ask you guys to find that, okay? So for the slants, you guys can just assume right now all real numbers for slant asymptotes. If there's a horizontal asymptote and you don't cross them, we'll for sure put that value in as kind of a restriction with our range. Okay, that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching.